A good essential oil for clogged ear can help you treat this condition naturally without medication. To help your body heal, it has several properties that can help you find relief. Read on to discover which essential oil is best for clogged ears. It may be beneficial to combine it with other essential oils like lavender and eucalyptus. Regardless of the oil you choose, the most important part is knowing what causes your condition. What are essential oils? A blend of essential oils may help break up the earwax. To use these oils, soak a cotton ball in one or more drops. Place the cotton ball in the ear canal and allow the essential oil to seep slowly into the ear. Make sure that you don't force the cotton ball into the ear as the fibers can get stuck inside and aggravate the infection. To prevent skin irritation and infection, dilute the oils and use only a few drops. Lavender. This essential oil is an excellent ear wash because it helps to reduce pain. It also has soothing effects on the respiratory system and nervous systems. It also breaks up the earwax. Lavender is also a good essential oil for clogged ears because it is a strong antiseptic. Try it first to see if it works. If it works, you are golden. Thyme. You can also apply a mixture of essential oils to the ear. Before using it in the ear, dilute the oil to a concentration of 50 to 75 milligrams. Test the oil mixture on a small part of your body first to see if it causes any skin irritation or inflammation. Do not forget to dilute the oils with a carrier oil and read the label carefully before using them. Do not use essential oils if you're pregnant or have a serious health condition. Essential oils can cause skin irritation or even lead to toxicity if applied directly to the ear. They should also be avoided by people with ruptured eardrums. You should always seek medical advice before trying any new natural remedy. If you don't feel better after using essential oils, you may need prescription medication. Tea tree oil can relieve ear infections. Tea tree oil contains antibacterial and antiviral properties that help prevent bacteria from multiplying. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also reduce pain and inflammation. It can also dry out excess fluid in the ear. Essential oils can be applied directly to the ear using a dropper or diluted in olive oil or apple cider vinegar. Apply the mixture to the affected ear and leave it in for about 10 minutes. Properties of essential oils. Essential oils can be used to treat clogged ears for a variety of reasons. Many of them have antibacterial properties and are great for relieving pressure and earwax buildup. Additionally, some essential oils have antimicrobial properties and are also good for fighting infection. You should use them only under the supervision of a doctor or ear specialist. Essential oils may cause a negative reaction if you are sensitive to them. Essential oils are highly concentrated oils extracted from plants. The oil is extracted by steaming the plant to separate its volatile oil. The chemical makeup of essential oils varies according to the type of plant and how it was extracted. Some essential oils have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties and are useful in fighting infections. You should dilute essential oils before using them on your ear. If you are pregnant or have a history of allergies, you should consult a doctor before using them. Some essential oils are corrosive and may cause irritation to the skin. Dilute the oils before applying them to your ear canal to reduce the chance of an allergic reaction. You should also do a skin patch test to determine if essential oils are suitable for your sensitive skin. Using a cotton swab soaked in specific essential oil and placing it at the entrance to the ear canal can help to alleviate your clogged ears. If you notice a burning sensation or pain in your ear, you should consult your physician for further testing. There is a good chance that you might have an ear infection or sinus infection. However, it is also important to remember that essential oils do not cure an infection, and can worsen the condition if you don't treat it quickly. You should also avoid applying pure essential oils as they may burn the mucous membranes or desensitize sensitive tissues. Among the many benefits of essential oils is the ability to fight viral and bacterial infections. It can relieve muscle and joint pain and has antimicrobial properties. While it is effective for treating ear infections, it can have the opposite effect on very sensitive skin. If you're sensitive to any of these oils, make sure to avoid them. If you don't want to risk an allergic reaction, try avoiding the essential oils altogether and use only natural treatments. Cause of clogged ear. A common cause of clogged ears is congestion of the sinuses. Clogged ears can result from blocked sinuses and can be treated with over-the-counter nasal spray or tablets. Avoid using these remedies for longer than 3 days as they can have a rebound effect and cause even more buildup. In some cases, a warm oil compress may help soften the wax. You can also try chewing gum or yawning to open up the eustachian tubes. A clogged ear may also be caused by fluid trapped in the eustachian tube, the tube that connects the middle ear to the throat. This fluid can cause clogged ears and severe congestion. It is also a potential cause of hearing loss. People with narrow eustachian tubes are at a higher risk of clogged ears. A clogged ear may also be caused by a sinus infection or allergies. A clogged ear can also be caused by an upper respiratory infection. The fluid in the ear can cause pain and discomfort. If your ears are blocked, you should consult a physician to rule out a COVID-19 infection. If your symptoms persist for longer than a day, you should seek medical attention immediately. Remember, the information on healthy is for general information purposes only and should not be used in place of medical advice. Changes in altitude may also be a cause of clogged ears. Changes in altitude affect the eustachian tube, which equalizes the pressure between the middle and outer ear. During high altitude travel, the eustachian tube struggles to equalize the pressure. This may cause a popping sensation in the ear, although this typically clears up within a few minutes. If the popping occurs during an activity that triggers this condition, it may indicate a clogged ear. Other causes of clogged ears include sudden changes in air pressure. The eustachian tube equalizes pressure in the ear, but at high altitudes, it cannot keep up with the rapid change in pressure. This can lead to a swimmer's ear, which encourages the growth of an infection in the ear. These are some of the most common causes of a clogged ear. Best essential oil for clogged ear. There are several types of essential oils that can be used for a clogged ear. Lavender essential oil is particularly effective, as it helps to relieve the pain, and it also has respiratory and nervous system benefits. Additionally, lavender helps break up the earwax. Try a few drops on a cotton ball, and apply them to the clogged ear. However, make sure that you do not overheat the cotton ball. Although essential oils have a number of positive benefits, they should not be used for a clogged ear without consulting a doctor first. You may also experience allergic reactions to some of these essential oils, so it's best to use a diluted oil instead. And remember to always follow the instructions on the bottle, as you don't want to accidentally clog your ear. Using more than 2 drops of essential oil may aggravate the condition. For more effective results, mix a few drops of rosemary essential oil with a carrier oil. This oil is known to have analgesic and antibacterial properties. It can also reduce signs of cellulitis and promote wound healing. Combined with eucalyptus or lavender, rosemary is an effective ear infection remedy. However, rosemary oil may have negative effects on sensitive skin, so make sure you test the product on a patch of skin before using it. If you have a chronic ear infection, it is advisable to consult a medical professional as it may be related to some other illness. Moreover, some people experience the problem of the clogged ears after being exposed to extreme temperatures or too high humidity. But if the problem is minor, it is best to try essential oils first before relying on other remedies. These will help you relieve the pain and discomfort caused by a clogged ear. Another natural remedy for clogged ears is to place a cotton ball soaked in rosemary oil and insert it into the ear canal. However, it is important to use carrier oil to prevent the oils from drying out the ear canal. Alternatively, you can use essential oils in combination, such as lavender, eucalyptus, or coconut oil, and apply them to the throat, neck, or glands. Next, essential oil for dog bad breath. Legal and medical disclaimer: information provided on the site is for educational purposes only, and does not substitute for professional medical advice. You must consult a medical professional or healthcare provider if seeking medical advice, diagnoses, or treatment. We do not provide any medical advice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.